arrested a man outside of the hotel where Greg Vivino has been staying, and they're getting all perimeters right now. Yo, what up?